guys! Good morning! Oh my God! Ang tagal kong hindi ng video. Busy kasi ako sa work. Ay, tayo ng guys. Breakfast kasi ang anong tawag doon? Gutom lunch na.
Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Open up, tell you out for puck.
Kung hindi ako magluto, walang kakainin. Hangin. Kailangan kumilos kahit pagod. Alam mo yun? Ito lang kasi ang tingin ko na madali lutuin Prito-prito lang. Oy, yes. Ilagyan ko lang siya ng garlic powder. Tsaka yun lang. Kasi ko naman siya sausaw ko naman siya sa tuyo tsaka suka. Is it? Tapos wala lang. Kulang.
The doors open. Take the high road and hop in. Open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up. Open.
Ayan guys, tapos na ako magluto. As usual, pritong pork belly and then yung sauce niya. Suka tuyo lang, tsaka garlic and onions. Yun lang. Hindi pa kasi tapos yung yung sinaing ko. Kaya mag-freshen up muna ako before kumain. So, yun na guys. Happy Palm Sunday sa atin. Sana yung Holy Week natin tanto-tanto naman natin yung mga kasalanan natin kasi Holy Week na, diba? So, sana malagpasan natin yung natin ngayon, problema natin ngayon. Thank you so much and God bless us all.